gonna be cooking today. Dinner time and we're gonna cook on the grill.
Yeah, dinner time.
We're gonna be cooking burgers.
Okay, I need the little burger, please.
Okay, there's a pack. Here's the bottom. Then you need a couple of tomatoes and lettuce. Yep,
That one. Just that.
mustard. That's what we need.
There we go.
Ooh, this looks like a good burger. I can't resist.
Wait, I found something.
It's a pepperoni. Looks like you're making something yummy.
Shish kebab.
So, where's those hot dogs? Yeah, okay. Put this one away. Put that one away. Put this one on here. You ready? Time. Here. You taste that. Taste that one.
It did not taste good without mustard.
Try this one. This one's better. This is how you cook on a grill. And now we're in the kitchen, and we're gonna cook some cake.
No, I want to cook some breakfast.
Let's make a breakfast cake. Let's make a breakfast cupcake.
I like cupcakes. Where's the eggs? Oh, there's the eggs.
Should I put the eggs in? I'm getting this kitchen clean.
No.
Breakfast dessert.
No breakfast. It's just breakfast.
It's a dessert. It's breakfast. It's dessert.
Hey, I need a pan. Hey, where's the pan?
You're gonna need one white egg and one orange egg.
Flip it. Yeah, flip it.
And then you're gonna need 1 cup of sugar. And then you need a mixer.
Hello?
You're gonna get a pan. And once you get a pan, you're gonna put all that mixture stuff you put in there. And then you're going to grab the water, open up the water bottle, and then shook it, and then shake it. You're going to put it in a bowl. And then put it in the oven, and then you wait. And whenever it's done, you're going to take it out, and then you have your cake. Time to get it. Here it is. Really good.
I'm making something for my dear friend over here for breakfast.
Oh no, my hat's dirty. Might as well wash it in the washing machine.
I'll be back in a minute, okay?
Okay.
I just need toppings.
Beep, beep. Oh, there we go. Nice clean hat. This is my morning cake breakfast.
And this is my breakfast for my best friend.
Okay,
Let's go and put everything back in the refrigerator.
all clean. Let's move on. Do you want ice cream?
Yes, I want ice cream.
What flavor would you like?
I want a mint sandwich.
Okay, that will be $3.
There's ice cream cookies here. Ice cream sandwich. My mommy likes it, and I like it.
My favorite. Ooh, that's a good one. All of them mixed up together at the same time.
I think this is a chocolate chip cookie, and this is a brown cookie.
What flavor? This is smiling vanilla, and then this is muddy mud.
Hey! Ow! One more thing. Okay, wait. And now let's put all the. How about these could be the ice cream donuts? Okay, and then. We're not bored. We're crazy. We're out of ice cream. Bye. Bye. Let's make some corn with.
Come on. You can make the corn, and I will make the fruit and veggie soup. Oh wait, I forgot to put the milk in. You want this or this? This one. Okay. Now we just need to put it in the oven for an hour for it to cook.
Now, I'm gonna make a carrot cupcake.
And as we make it, I'll make pumpkin pie.
Okay, I have some more spices. Okay, that's 500 minutes.
I made a pumpkin pie.
I made a carrot cupcake.
Really? Yummy in my tummy.
Click to subscribe or watch more videos.
Sure they work.